A balanced lifestyle means that optimal health is achieved for all 6 aspects of one's life. Although having a balanced life is usually misconstrued as allocating equal amounts of time for each aspect, the quality of time spent providing attention to each gives more weight to ensuring the health of each aspect is being cared for. It seems daunting to focus one's energy on 6 different things at once, but in fact, most of these are actually interrelated, such that caring for the health of one creates a cycle that also improves the health of the others. For example, when one exercises regularly to mind their physical health, mental health is also benefiting from it, because of the happy hormones produced by the body when exercising. And if exercise is done with a group, in the gym, for example, even one's social health will benefit from it. As we learned from our past videos, once stress or depression is addressed, one can have more time to focus on other needs and priorities, which then boost this positive cycle of wellness. In the past videos, we have tackled the benefits of addressing the health of these 6 aspects of life. It would be beneficial to look back on these and act today on the easy tips and activities we've suggested to better your life through self-love. Here are the 6 aspects of a well-balanced life. 1. Physical health. 2. Mental health. 3. Emotional health. 4. Social health. 5. Financial health. 6. Spiritual health. If you learned something from this video and want to learn more about self-love, holistic wellness, and overall health, subscribe to our channel and share this gift to your loved ones as well. Thanks for watching.